Hey y'all, so I have here my husband removing the panels from the headboard. He didn't like the fabric that was on it originally, so we decided to do a blue faux leather that we got from Joann Fabrics. Here he's measuring the panel, which is about 32 inches in width and 15 inches in height. Now that we have the proper measurements, we're measuring the fabric. As you can see, he has his little helper, yes, me, helping my boo try to hold on to this fabric so he could cut it. He then flips the fabric over once again to get measurements. Now that the fabric has been cut out according to the piece of the cushion panel, it is time to staple it. He makes sure that as he staples it, he pulls the fabric tightly so that there is no wrinkles on it. Eventually, later remove some of the staples that's on the corner of the cushion because we noticed that there was a wrinkle on the other side, so he just pulled it a little bit to adjust it. The most challenging part was the corners, in which we had to adjust a couple of times, but he finally got the hang of it. Now on this last corner, he is stapling it over. This other side that was already stapled in the back, he stapled over it to reinforce it. We didn't show the remainder of the other panels because it was repetitive, but we did the same exact step to each individual panel.
2,000 years later.
Now these were our final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please consider subscribing and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!